Prepare to witness the absolute pinnacle of automotive evolution and the most expensive, most capable vehicle ever to bear the Toyota badge. This is the 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12, a machine so advanced it feels like it was sent back from the future. This is not just a truck. It is a 1,500 horsepower, $4.5 million armored palace designed for those who refuse to compromise between total survival and absolute luxury. Imagine a vehicle that can navigate a crumbling cityscape or a scorched desert wasteland with the same ease it cruises down a highway. It features 12 massive wheels, the ability to scale 60-degree inclines that would stop a mountain goat, and an interior that rivals the cabin of a long-range private jet. Let's find out why the Thunderbone is currently breaking the internet and redefining what we thought was possible in the world of extreme engineering. The sheer scale of the Thunderbone is difficult to comprehend. It features a 12-foot by 12-foot footprint for the living module alone, creating a massive presence that dwarfs every other vehicle on the road. Look at those 12 military-grade tires. They aren't just for show. They are integrated into an intelligent traction system that monitors the terrain in real time, adjusting the torque to each individual wheel in milliseconds to ensure you never get stuck. Whether you are in deep mud, soft sand, or jagged rocks, the armor plating is composed of ultra-lightweight, ballistic composites that provide maximum security without the weight penalty of traditional steel. To illuminate the path forward, the rig is equipped with high-intensity LED light bars that turn the darkest night into day, making this truck a true nighttime predator. For the ultimate situational awareness, it even features 360-degree drone integrated cameras that can launch automatically to scout the road several miles ahead, sending high-definition thermal imaging directly to the cockpit. Under the massive hood, it is all muscle and cutting-edge technology. This beast is powered by a hybrid powerhouse, producing a staggering 500 horsepower and over 3,000 lb-ft of torque. This raw power allows the Thunderbone to reach a shocking 90 mph on the open road despite weighing tens of thousands of pounds. It is a mechanical anomaly that defies the laws of physics. Remarkably, it is also surprisingly efficient for its size, utilizing solar-assisted charging panels embedded in the roof and a high-capacity fuel system that grants a 1,200-mile range on a single tank. This is the ultimate long-range explorer, a vehicle designed to keep moving when the rest of the world stops. Step inside, and the rugged, aggressive exterior disappears instantly, replaced by a world of five-star luxury. You are greeted by heated stone floors, diamond-stitched Italian leather, and a gourmet kitchen that looks like it belongs in a luxury penthouse. The technology is just as impressive, featuring a vertical touchscreen command center that controls everything from the vehicle's mechanical health to the satellite communication array. There is even a starlit ceiling inspired by the finest luxury cars in the world. This is a fully self-sufficient ecosystem equipped with high-capacity lithium-ion batteries and advanced atmospheric water generators that allow for months of off-grid living without ever needing to find a plug or a tap. Is the Toyota Thunderbone the ultimate vehicle? At a price tag of $4.5 million, it is reserved for the elite few, but as a masterpiece of engineering, it is something for all of us to admire. It represents a bold new frontier where tactical defense meets high-end comfort. Whether you would take this through the deepest desert or the busiest city, there is no denying that the Thunderbone is the new king of the road. It is a rolling testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of perfection in a world that is increasingly unpredictable. The level of detail in the cabin is breathtaking, from the brushed titanium hardware to the sound-dampening glass that creates a silent sanctuary even in the middle of a storm. This is more than a vehicle. It is a legacy. This is the gold standard of 2026 vehicle reveals, and it stands alone at the top of the automotive mountain. Would you dare to command this 12-wheeled giant? Would you choose the safety of its armored walls or the thrill of its 500 horsepower engine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the most insane vehicle builds on the planet. This is the kind of engineering that changes the game forever, pushing the boundaries of what a truck can be and setting a new bar for the entire industry. The 2026 Toyota Thunderbone 12x12 is a legend in the making, and we are just getting started exploring everything it can do. Stay wild, and we will see you on the next journey into the extreme.